I'm changing my plans. Instead of going to Varanasi, now I'm in Delhi. Hello.
Hello.
No energy. So I'm going now to Vrindavan to get crazy in a few moments. But I'm still figuring out how to get there.
Under entry. There's no entry inside.
Stop us here going to Vrindavan. So I think this bus is going to Agra. So we're just gonna ride a rickshaw going there. So it's 10 kilometers. So we're just haggling right now. It's close? Close? We just arrived in Vrindavan and I'm not prepared that someone threw me little powder. Yeah, we're just gonna buy some clothes to get ready. Is this your clothes?
Yeah.
Is this your gonna wear?
This is my Holi outfit.
It's Uniqlo?
Yes, yes.
Wow.
And come this side.
Yeah. Can you put this on my
They throw on you. I'll get safe. भाई पानी मत फेंकियो भाई कैमरा है फोन है
camera?
लेफ्ट यहीं से हाँ ये देख यहाँ से आगे से होके फोन है यार
We just entered the most chaotic city.
No, it's full of color.
Do you think? Going here.
Oh, we are pumped. Officially pumped. ये ना
Don't bring that.
clean. You are not with the colors. I was clean.
I don't like.
That's what I got.
Oh my god.
No, shut up.
How can you? Let's see in 5 minutes if we still.
That's why we didn't put a dhoti today. So like
Why am I here? I'm so happy. No more before and after. You cannot walk here without colors. It's Holi.
थोड़ा सा हैप्पी होली
So Holi is mainly in Vrindavan.
Yes, tomorrow.
Tomorrow, it's not today.
Today also. We should remove our shoes.
Yeah. We just entered the Holi and I'm not prepared. I was supposed to start my day later. All my laptop is in here.
But they're very mischievous, no?
Yeah.
The monkeys.
So I just found out that monkeys here, like if you're wearing eyeglasses or like holding a phone,
Thank
they
you,
will
Via.
take it.
Radhe Radhe.
They will take it from you. So that's why they eating it.
Yeah. No, they are just
What's this for? For monkey?
monkey.
Wow.
पकड़ना. See.
Don't hit monkey. Try to wear the eyeglasses and then let's see if monkey goes to you.
Bye, Buddha. That's you?
Ooh.
Yep.
But it's we have so many ashrams here, and I think you can stay here for free if it's not
Festival.
festival. Why am I here? Why am I here? Why me?
Because you
भैया लाइन में जाओ लाइन में भैया दिस साइड
Yeah, we're lining up for free food. I hope I'm okay after this.
Everyone is going
How are you?
I'm very good.
Yeah. Nice color, huh?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
You also. Side please, side. Radhe Radhe.
Radhe, Radhe. Radhe, Radhe. Later. Hide it.
Radhe.
This is what it feels like walking in the road of Vrindavan. Oh my god. So everyone's selling their powder here. Hopefully it's not made of chemical. This made of flour? Made of flour? Ah.
Happy Holi.
It's in here.
We need to walk right side. They have water.
These people are throwing water. I don't know how we can escape them.
Yeah.
I will hide my camera.
Water में अभियान will go bro.
Water? Everyone has color on their face. Everyone is smiling. Sometimes it's also annoying. Where is it? It's India! Oh my gosh! No one is This ends my Holi festival and now I deserve to have some shower. Look at my face. Hopefully matanggal siya lahat.